We've looked at California Dreaming before, but I want to get more into the weeds of this, and that is the beginning. The intro says arpeggio. Now we know the chords, C, D minor, and A7. Excuse me, D minor and A7. So arpeggio, you have 2 bars of D minor, so you could do it this way. So I just went down the strings. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3. Or for this song, you could almost do 4, 1, 2, 3. Then, all the leaves are, and then you get into the song. So it's D minor for 2 4/4 measures. And what I'm doing is I'm putting my thumb on the 4th string, my first finger on the 3rd, my second finger on the 2nd, and my 3rd finger on the 1st. Or for the other option, so it's first, it's the thumb on the 4th, and then 1, 2, 3 on strings 3, 2, and 1. That's an A7th. Okay, let's look at the chart. And I think most of us probably know this song. All the leaves are brown, and the sky is gray. And that chord, A sus4, a sustained chord usually has to be resolved. And this one resolves, so it's fingers 2 and 3 on the 2nd fret of the 3rd and 4th strings. I would go from 2 and 3 to first finger for the A7, which is the resolution. And that, of course, gives the song away. That's the song. When you look at the song, it's basically that A suspend 4th, and then the verse D minor C, B flat C, A sus, resolve, da 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 da. On such a winter's day, I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California dreaming on such a winter's day. Yeah, that just learn that progression. That's the whole song. That's the whole song. With the exception of I got down on my knees. You have the F. Well, I got down on my knees. I pretend to pray. There's no C there. You know the preacher likes the cold. Knows I'm gonna stay. Even the instrumental part, which on the song is a flute. It's either a flute or a recorder. That's the same. That's da 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 da. That's the same progression. D minor C. So this is another song where once you learn those chords and you can memorize it, this is perfect for playing along the campfire at the bonfire at the beach, and of course it's uniquely Southern California, through and through. The last chord, B flat major seventh, is saved for the very end. And if you'll notice, it's a 1, 2, 3 chord, starting on the second string, third string, fourth string. And if you look on the end, on such a winter's day, and then it ends on a D minor, which is the chord it started. So that's a proper feeling of closure. Well, good luck with this one, students. We'll work on this next week.